Hello everyone, my name is Pratiksha Milin Gaikwad, and today we are going to discuss about what is difference between interface and abstract class. So abstract class allows you to create functionality that subclass can implement and override. And interface is the only allows you to define functionality, not implement it. And whereas class can extend one only one abstract class, it can take advantage of multiple interfaces. So let's see what is difference between abstract class and interface class with real time example. So the difference between abstract class and interface class is that abstract class can have methods with implementation, whereas interface provides absolute abstraction and cannot have any method implementation. So abstract class can have constructors, but interfaces can't have constructor. So abstract class have all the features of normal Java classes, except that we content instantiate. So the difference between class and interface. Class can be instantiated, that is object, and object of class can be created. So the and interface cannot be instantiated, that is object cannot be created in interface. So classes does not support multiple inheritance, and interface supports multiple inheritance. Inheritance. But the main difference between the abstract class and interface is that Java 8 is the fact that an abstract class in class and interface is an interface. A class can have the state which can be modified by non-abstract method, but the interface cannot have the state because they cannot have instance variable. So let's see what is difference abstract class and interface in C++, then Java. So the interface embodies the concept of contract between client and implementation, and the abstract class contains the code that you want to share between the multiple implementations of the interfaces, while the interfaces is implies in abstract classes method. Sometimes it can be useful to specify the contract of isolation. So uh, the interface can be used to define the contract behavior, and it can also act as the contract between the two systems to interact, while the abstract class is mainly used to define default behavior for subclasses. It means that all child classes should perform the same functionality. So what are the similarities between abstract class and interface? So both abstract class and interface class can have method and various variables, but neither of them can instantiated. All the variables declared within the interface are finals, or however variable declared in abstract class are non-final, and it cannot be modified by user defined classes. So the abstract class permits you to make functionality that subclass can implement or override, where the interface only permit you to state the functionality but not the implemented. A class can extend only one abstract class, which class can implement multiple interface. So there are class and interface both are used to create new reference types, and interface is synthetically similar to the class. So the member of class can be private, protected, and public also, and the member of interface are always has to be public. So class and the class can be extend only one class. So this is the difference between the abstract class and interface class. Thank you so much.